What day is it today, William?
I think he's buying a house day.
Oh, it's the great day today. Well, he would have been happy if his car hadn't broke down today. So he's a bit annoyed with that, but it would have been a good day today. So we just go into the notice to sign him over the house.
And hopefully she's going to hand me the keys over.
Hopefully. Shall we hand him the keys? What do you think? Yeah, no.
I think she should.
Yeah, no. Do you think he's capable of doing this house up? Do you think so?
I am capable, yeah.
Yeah, sure?
Sure.
So there we go. So we're just going to pop off to the notaire and we'll see you all later. Bye. The notaire's, and Mark is now going to pass the keys over because we've signed all the paperwork. So William's going to pass the keys. Mark's going to pass the keys over to William. Voila! All done. William, 19 years old, and is the house owner even. So today we just had the builder come through, and he's just been talking to William and us and how to, just advising us how to go about the jobs now, because he's really busy to do this stuff himself. So these are things that William can do and we can help him. So basically the main beam that's supporting the roof up, it's not going to be an easy job as we thought it was going to be. So it's going to be a major take out, but before we can take the beam out, it has to have stronger wood put in from one side to the other side, lower down as far as we can, so a head goes underneath it, and then it has to be reinforced with blocks in between to stop the roof from going like this to going splaying like that. So it all has to be tied in together so the roof doesn't come out. So it's not a 2-minute job, and it's going to be quite a mentally challenging one, because then after the beam will have to be cut out, and that is one big block of wood, and it's going to be really heavy. So also he's advised us, and I'll show you after, so the wall that you can see behind will come down to roughly where the height of the wood is here on the opposite side, because it's fell down. And it's not just the outside that's splayed out, it's the whole lot that's gone buff. So the whole wall has got to come out. So more major work to be done. Yeah, that's it. I'll just go and show you outside now where it's going to be taken down to. Because it's really windy here today. It's a miserable, horrible, misty day today. So basically the wall has got to come down. You see the concrete blocks there, the breeze blocks. So the height has got to come all the way across there, and that's where it's got to be taken down to. So it's a really thick wall. All that'll come down, and then after it'll be laid with breeze block, concrete, and it'll all be tied in together. And then we can start blocking it back up again from this side. So yeah, it's going to be a major job.
myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. At 29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true.
You had a good day today, boys?
Yeah, good day. Bit windy.
Productive?
Dusty.
You'll be getting told off for not wearing masks.
No mask, no glasses.
No mask, no glasses, no protective gloves.
I did. Hey, clothes. Oh well.
So what you been doing today?
Building the wall up.
We'll be knocking the wall down so we can get ready to prepare for the concrete beam, ready for the block wall to be built up on.
But Steve said, the builder said, not within the next 2 weeks because he can't come and help.
No, instead, I can see he'll be coming to visit me in the next week or so. I say the next day or so.
I think it come down a bit quicker than.
Than we expected.
Yeah.
That's better.
It come down really well, didn't it? Really, to be fair.
Yeah. It's only dust hanging in the stones.
Yeah, and then we found a great big root inside it, and I think that must have been what the cause of the
roots was. The roots got in there and it's
expanded the wall, and the wet's got into it over the time. Yeah, it's looking good. Well done.
looking a big gap there.
Yeah, it's a bit cool in here now with wind.
Yeah, big ventilation. Shut door then.
Are you cracking on or are you stopping now?
No, it's 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
I guess we're desperado.
All right then.
That's good.
See you in a bit.